This is your profile. Here's the strange part. You barely built it. You dropped in one resume, CoBlack read it, and filled in all of this. Not a document you rewrite. One living record of everything you've done. And here's the part that changes everything. Your skills are never your responsibility. You tell us your story. We read it, pull out the skills, and build your capability match. Every skill here with the years behind it came from your own words. You never typed a single one. Which is why this part matters most. Your experience, card by card. Open one up, add the real detail, the tools, the wins, the numbers. CoBlack reads the change and folds it right back in. This is you, in your own words. Some of you carry more. Publications, for the research and writing that deserves more than a line. Expand on it here. And language. English is the default, but hiring across North America is often bilingual. Fluent in Spanish, French, anything else? Add it. For some roles, it's the difference between a yes and a no. And it keeps growing. Down here, CoB asks you questions. The behavioral ones employers actually ask. Answer once, and every application carries it. That's the idea. One profile, the single source of your truth. The one place CoBlack searches, matches, and applies from. There are millions of openings. Somewhere is a job looking for an exact match. For you. The truer your profile, the faster it finds you.